How's it going, gents? Here we are, returning to the scene of the crime. We are currently in the Fink River Gorge, heading back out to Palm Valley. So if you didn't see my Great Northern Adventure, I was here 10 months ago or so, and this is where I lost my backpack to a dingo and thought I lost all the footage and thousands of dollars worth of stuff to a dingo who stole my backpack to eat a sandwich. I've returned to punch the dingo out. Brought the Raptor this time. I've had a bit of a fang out here. It's phenomenally fast on this track, like actually faster than I could ride a motorbike through this track. It's insane. But yeah, camping with my wife. And we're gonna go do the little track. Sounds alright, the old rapping. Do the track, do the 4-drive climb, see the palms, and see if we can see any dingoes. Freaking knock him out for stealing my backpack. But so last time we came here, we'd just done the Fink River Gorge, and it was a really tough day, so we're pretty screwed. We actually pulled into Palm Valley just as it was getting dark, and we were pretty rooted, and then I spent all night crying about my backpack, and the next day I was ultra depressed. So I didn't get to enjoy Palm Valley last time. This time, now that I know I got my backpack, I got all the SD cards, the video is done and dusted, let's just go and enjoy it. So freaking... let's jump in the freaking Raptor. Give it a freaking bit of a punchy. Bit of Baja mode out to the Palm Valley. It's actually like way smoother to go fast in this thing than to go slow. Rocks. Lattes, still good. Four left into turn right into straight jump. Here again, Palm Valley. So we are camping at number 6. I think we camped right here, number 8. So we were sitting over at that campfire over there, and my backpack got taken from that table there. And I don't know where they found my backpack. People hike all through here, so must have found it. But I'd like to see the camp ranger and say like, thanks for finding my backpack, mate. So extreme, that's kind of easy. Cycad Gorge, one of my favorite spots. I love cycads because they're like dinosaur old ferns, man. So cool. Got one at home, chilling. Doing the actual 5K walk through Palm Valley, and it gets cooler through here. It's so dense. You're like just surrounded by the palms. It's freaking cool. I don't even know where the track is. It's freaking in there somewhere, but hell yeah. So the second half of the Palm Valley walk is actually on top of the gorge, which is pretty sick because you can see it down there. And it's just like, you'd never know it's there. This wonderland of palm trees if you were just crossing the land. Wouldn't even see it. Not a bad freaking view from up here, the actual top of the gorge. Radical. Alright, camp set up. Tent is done. Got the freaking Starlink cranking. Time to get the fire going in a bit over there. Then make a trap for dingoes. Instagram. Not a bad lookout spot, eh? Not bad. So we just came down from this lookout up here, up on that rock. I don't know what freaking track we're on, but there's no markers, and it was just single tracking with just nothing. But I like it. I like freaking bush bashing. No designated markers. Wife loves it, going through long grass and bullshit. You know, freaking Air Force Ones, but it was a good look up there, and look at that moon. Freaking mooning. All right, I've created my dingo trap. Got the freaking irresistible chicken crimpies in my lasso. Just got to wait for a dingo to come around, capture it, and get revenge for stealing my backpack. Stick time. Just tailgating with the boys. We're at the freaking fireplace again, waiting for a dingo to come steal our items. It's all gonna happen again, Kathy. I'll lose all my stuff. Rip. The dingoes are howling, so they're coming. What are you doing? Yeah, you. What are you doing? You're gonna get freaking beaten up, champ. You take my backpack? Were you the one who took my backpack, champ? You took my backpack? You took my backpack? Yeah, you better run, champ. I'll get ya. I'll get you, mate. Don't you worry. Oi, dingo. Let's race, man, for pink slips. One dingo versus Ford Raptor. Ready, steady, go! Hey, too slow, champ.